When projects pile up, waste shouldn't. Red Rock Disposal offers a reliable and efficient dumpster rental service that makes debris and clutter less worrying. Whether you're renovating, landscaping, or managing a commercial build, our dumpster rental service is designed to meet your needs. We offer a range of dumpster sizes that perfectly fit your job, allowing you to focus on what matters most, getting the job done. Our team is committed to customer satisfaction, offering prompt delivery and pickup services on your schedule. With Red Rock Disposal, you're getting a dumpster with the ease of dependable, on-time delivery and pickup handled by professionals who care about your project's success. When you need a dependable dumpster rental service, trust the experts at Red Rock Disposal. We're here to support all your disposal needs and make cleanup more accessible than ever. Ready to clear the way? Contact Red Rock Disposal today. Visit www.redrockdisposal.net or call 719-396-2723 to schedule your dumpster rental. Red Rock Disposal. Delivering the right dumpster every time. Contact us today and experience disposal made simple.